How to add iPhone emojis to Android. Go to Play Store. Search iPhone keyboard. And select it. Now scroll down and find what you are looking for. I am searching Z font. Select it and install it. Now open it. Click on Agree. Now here on the top, search iOS. Select emojis. Now write emoji here. You will see it is looking like emoji in iOS. Click on Apply. Go back. Put emojis here. You will see it is looking like emojis in iOS. That is how you can add iPhone emojis to Android. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.